So as you remember, my incredible son Caleb was doing a review of our apple cider vinegar shampoo from Glowhead Inc., our incredible hair care line, and here he is sharing his findings.
About the shampoo. Okay, so I enjoyed it. It was probably the first time I ever had a clean scalp after my first wash. That was really cool. And it smelled really good too. That's a plus.
It is?
Yeah, it did. It did.
That's cool. So Caleb used the apple cider vinegar shampoo, as you all know. So right up in here yesterday when I showed you his scalp, he had like some flakes. So of course he took those off. Yeah, it's a beautiful scalp. Your hair is so beautiful. I just love it. And so normally you don't use a conditioner, right? Because your scalp's already oily. So did you feel like your hair was moisturized enough after using the apple cider vinegar shampoo? And then how much shampoo did you put in your hand?
I did, let's see.
Was it bigger than
For
a
the first
quarter?
wash? Yeah, it was more than a quarter. Yeah.
I told y'all he's a product junkie. Do you think that it would have been enough without a quarter size, or because you have so much hair?
I think it has
You just like to use a lot. Okay.
Yeah, it's a lot. Yeah, but I think it would be good with a quarter size. So.
Okay. And then I asked Caleb, did it suds you up? You know, because a lot of time when you get suds in regular shampoo, it's because of all the fragrances and stuff, but ours doesn't have that. So did you feel like you had a sufficient amount of suds? I know your eyes were closed.
Yeah, but yeah, it did.
Did it feel sudsy?
Yeah, it did.
And did your scalp feel clean?
A lot, yeah.
And you said after the first wash,
it was clean.
It was clean, but you just did a second wash because that was what the instructions required.
Right.
Isn't he the freshest thing in the whole world? I just love you. Thank you for trying our shampoo. Would you use it again?
I would.
You better say yes. Okay, just kidding, y'all. Okay, bye.